Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the process of installing a desktop GUI on an Ubuntu server. By default, Ubuntu server doesn't include a graphical user interface, but sometimes having a GUI can make certain tasks easier, especially if you use tools that perform better with a graphical environment. Ubuntu server is lightweight and focuses on performance, which is why it doesn't come with a GUI. However, if you're managing tasks that benefit from a graphical interface, adding a desktop environment might help streamline your work. In simple words, GUI applications can make server management easier for some tools. Before we start, it's always a good idea to update the repositories and upgrade the packages to the latest versions. This helps avoid compatibility issues. To do this, simply run the following command: sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. The next step is to install a display manager. This is the tool that starts the display server and launches the desktop environment. While Ubuntu's default display manager, GDM3, is powerful, it's resource intensive. For a lighter option, we'll be installing Slim. Using the command, sudo apt install Slim. With the display manager in place, it's time to install the actual GUI. There are several desktop environments available, but for this video, we'll be installing the default Ubuntu desktop environment, which is based on GNOME, using the command sudo apt install ubuntu-desktop. During the installation, you may be prompted to select a default display manager. Choose Slim if it asks. This may take some time. Once the installation is complete, reboot the system for the changes to take effect. You can do this by typing sudo reboot. After the reboot, you'll be greeted with a graphical login screen. This is generated by the display manager you just installed. Enter your username and password to log in. And that's it. You now have a fully functional desktop GUI installed on your Ubuntu server. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.